In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look using the Life's a Festival palette by Too Faced. Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen, and this here is Green. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I just want to give away from Adventures of Xinia. That's how I created this look. Thank you so much. I really love it all. And I will also link Adventures of Xenia's channel in the eye. So please feel free to check her out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much, Xinia. Really love and appreciate everything. I went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, my brows. I contoured my nose and a little bit of my forehead. And then I set my eyes with a MAC Painterly pot. I will have a list of all the products in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. First thing I want to do is contour my cheeks. And I did receive this Too Faced Melted Chocolate in the shade Chocolate Honey, and it is a lipstick. It says liquefied longwear lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to contour with this. So I do want to calm it down a little bit, so I'm going to go in with my Derma Blend powder. I'm going to go ahead and bronze it up a little bit with a butter bronzer. It is a little dark, but so now we're going to go in with the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks. Might be a little bit light, but we're going to try it anyway. Want it a little bit brighter, so we're going to go in with this Glamazon Beauty. This is in the shade Raspberry. It's a lot darker than I expected, but we're going to work with it. We'll use this IT Cosmetics Blending Shadow Brush in the number 107, and we're going to go right into Young and Free. I'm going to go in with a little bit smaller brush. This is the Precision Shadow Brush, IT Cosmetics number 112. We're going to go into Fantasy, this darker purple. I'm going to go back into Young and Free, just blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with this Precision Smudger number 121, IT Cosmetics. And let's go into Fun in the Sun. Let's go into Dusk Teal Dawn. I'm going to go back over top of that with the purple. I'm going to go back into the Dusk Teal Dawn and just darken up the outer corner. I'm going to cut the crease with this Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to go in with this Mystic Rain with a packing brush. Use this one by Bebe. Now I'm going to go with Beaming. I'm just going to pat that right in the middle. So I do have this pink glitter. I'm going to try to cut the crease with this. I'm going to go over top of that with this matte glitter. It's in the shade Pink Hologram. So I want to get a little bit closer to the corner of my eye. So I'm going to use this tiny brush by Farrah, and I'm going to go ahead and do some pink. Darken that up with Fantasy. So I'm going to go in with the glitter and get the inner corner. So I'm going to do my waterline with this LA Colors Purple Paradise. I want to set that with this Mystic Rain. I'm going to do a little wing with the Essence waterproof eyeliner pen. Use this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Copenhagen. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Long Wear Lipstick. This is in the shade Chihuahua. We're going to go over top of that with this Unicorn Tears. It's not really showing up. So I do have this Grunge Lip Topper. I'm going to go into this Unicorn Tears. That's pretty much it. I do want to add a little bit of something for dramatic effect. So we're going to take the Unicorn Tears, just for effect. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. Or if you haven't done so already, you can go ahead and hit the button here. And over here will be my latest video of my unboxing of the giveaway that I won from Adventures of Xinia. I really love and appreciate everything. And we hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.